feel like a man should carry the back of his own canoe. But in the river. Okay, you got it? There we go. Is that it? Wow. I'll tell you right now, we miscalculated the temperature of the water. It is really frigid. We got to walk through those rapids a second ago, and it was painful. Feet are all bright red from the cold. It's gonna be an interesting day. Especially since here we typically walk about as much as we ride, though the water is up a touch. One of the reasons we like this river so much is the rock. Broke my rod, which is bad. Into 3 pieces, wow. GoPro is turned sideways. Oh, this should be alright. That's a rock. Oh, don't take on too much. Oh, that's a giant rock. This could be bad. Oh, new canoe for the win. Alright. Took on some water. Drone's actually in that dry bag there, the white one, clear one. Look. Now starts the endless wandering about, trying to figure out where we camp. Well, looks good enough to me. See how many cell phone bars we got. 1 bar.